This driver got irritated just because biker got in front of him. Some egos just can't handle it.
I got 3 of them. You pulled in front of me like hell, I like to cut you. You need to watch what's behind you before you get hurt.
You weren't near me, man. You're good.
I got 3 bikes. I got 3 of them. You pulled in front of me like hell, I like to cut you. You need to watch what's behind you before you get hurt.
You weren't near me, man. You're good.
Oh.
This biker was also curious to see how white car driver would rage, but instead he ended up getting himself in trouble.
Cars. Wait, what? Where is he going? It. I'm removing his people.
Man has his pew-pew ready.
This driver said that if she'd been just 3 seconds faster, things could have ended badly. A biker pushed too hard into a corner and lost traction. As the rear wheel slid out, it suddenly regained grip, a dangerous moment known as high side. Pay close attention to this Mercedes driver. Just because the biker got in front of him, he started driving recklessly. Watch what he did next. Fortunately, the biker is okay. But what do you think, guys? What was the driver hiding under the seat?
What the f?
me.
It takes only one mistake to change your life forever. This biker had no chance to avoid the crash. The SUV turned without checking for traffic, causing an accident that left the rider facing months of recovery. It's been 9 months since the crash and this biker is still recovering. If you want to see uncensored video, there is a link in the description, and make sure to show him some love and support. This is how bikers recruit future riders, start them young and spark the passion early.
Hey, you wanna rev it?
Look, guys,
What's it?
like a dirt bike. Look, grab it.
But this one. Hey, you have a good day. Bubble.
These riders had so many close calls with bad drivers, they made a compilation of their own. Let's check out some of the worst moments.